Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV Specialist. So we're looking at a 2019, it was produced in October, of 2018. And so we found some frame cracks on it. And so here is one frame crack on this side. There's actually three. This one in the center, you can see that the actual bottom of the eye is cracked right there. It's not showing up as clear as the angle that I'm in. And then over here, oops. Yeah, I can see it. It looks funny in the video. And then over here, there's two more over here that's developing right above each other. So this again is on a Grand Design reflection, and it is a model number 230 RL. And again, these are always over the axle area. And so over here on this opposite side, we're going to come around here to show you as well. You got all your stuff? Yeah. Alrighty, so over here you can see this one. It's got a lot more rust in it, but that's basically what's happening on the other side, except for it's further down on the bottom of the lip. And then there's that one as well. So this one's got 5 cracks. We're also going to recommend to do V-braces inside those hangers. This particular hanger style is a triangular hanger, so those don't get those. I mean, you could reinforce them, but you'd have to make custom V-braces for that. I'm not sure if they're going to allow to do that or not. But another thing that I commented on in the last video was he has the Dexter EasyFlex kit, which is fantastic, but it has not been being maintained. And then also the shackle links are the thin shackle links, and so I would recommend when you go to service the bushings, which you can see where that shiny metal is right there. That's where it's moving. So that bushing is gone, and if I took the weight off the axle, this whole piece would jar, just like we show you in a lot of our other videos. When that does, that wears on that shackle bolt, and you take a risk of it either breaking the bolt, as well as flexing the spring in angles that it should not be, as well as it will flex the EcoFlex or Dexter EasyFlex, and you basically get we'll call it the snake, right? So you say, hey Dustin, why are my tires wearing funny? Why are my U-bolts coming loose? Why are things fatiguing? Why am I getting cracks in the frame? All that kind of fun stuff. And sorry, I'm right here close to the street because this gentleman's getting ready to pick this thing up here pretty soon. But all of this happens because all that suspension's worn out. So there's no real time frame on changing out those bushings. It's just kind of as you need it. So something to bring up, a lot of people will take they'll go in and do a wheel bearing packet, say a La Schwab, or we have another place down the street called Bruce's Tire. All these companies do great work, but they're not RV repair shops, right? They're going in, they're doing a wheel bearing pack, they're checking the brakes, and they're getting out of there. They're not going to check all the suspension. They're not going to check all the shackle links. They're not going to check all the welds. They're not going to check for welds, cracks in the frame. They're not going to know that can get turned into the manufacturer. They're just going to say, it's got some cracks in the frame, no big deal. So make sure that you're taking it to a shop that's familiar with these coaches. Like, we've now been working on Grand Designs since 2013 under warranty. 2016. Grand Design started in business back in 2013, and I'm imagining that we had quite a few of them come in then as well, but we weren't doing the warranty so much back then. But we've now been working, we've been working on them since they've been being built, and I don't know how long it took them to start being sold locally to us up in Sacramento area. But so let's say that year or the year after, we've been working on these for at least, what was that, 12 years plus, maybe? Something like that? I don't know. Yeah, because 13 years been in business. So anyways, stay tuned for more. I'll quit nagging at you, but come in, ask us to do a wheel bearing pack, have us check your suspension, have us check the frame to make sure that there's no frame cracks. All right, thanks so much for watching.